Hi, um, I'm here because I came I I came with no intentions to end up in um meaningful place online to be at, and I have to say sometimes my explanations are not boring, but I've always kind of turned to the people to explain to me what is happening around me, where I live. I live in Bristol, and I came from London a couple years back, and then from there I was in Portugal, and I I've always been this way. I've always been trans, but somehow my doubt of being trans was so elevated and impenetrable to other people that kind of like it contributed to that, and it contributed to my loss of faith at some point. But at the moment, I've been asked that as a human being, that is all gonna go down the toilet because I put put down fire alarm BP thing on the ceiling, and because I tear down the BP thing in the ceiling, I'm not a human being, and I don't matter. And so I was just putting this down properly because I'm gonna supposedly be evicted because um my neighbor told me that I tear down the smoke alarms, and I put all the neighborhood in jeopardy. And um I sometimes I find it funny because I don't think it is even real. I think sometimes I don't think the fear is right there in my face, but apparently human beings in this planet are indi- indistinguishable from little bips in the ceiling that go off when the fire arrives. And because I put all the neighborhood in jeopardy by tearing them down, I'm gonna be evicted. That's it. That's apparently the reason why I'm getting evicted. And I think you should go for it. If my neighbor thinks that that's the point of um, capitalism, I think you should go for that. I think that should suit your mentality. Capitalist society is running out of money, and by tearing down the fire alarm in the ceiling, you should get evicted. You should not matter as a human being. The human being that is there receiving this protection from you, from the state of England, or the country of England. It's not a state. My mistake. Sorry, I'm a bit Americanized. But basically, as she put it, apparently, if you turn down the smoke alarm on the ceiling, because it's what is missing here, right? Is all the the times that I traumatized my neighbors for putting music loud, for being a young rebel teenager, communist, and Jewish, and screaming when I received some fascist loving Hitler, a horrible person who comes around, um, clients, and other sorts of um, mysterious man that I make a lot of noise of, and that should be reported as well. And the times when my post, my post, what is it called? So the times that my my post mortem, no, post matern or something pill. Um, After you take hormones to transition, or either way, like if you're female, if you're a man, and you decide to transition, the point that I was trying to make was that the transition was that of the transition, not the fact that because I'm a man, going to postpartum or having difficulties with your hormones should matter. It's because you transition. That's why it's relevant to this argument. My neighbor was trying to make the point of me being sexist by implying, I know all the silences, by implying that me saying that a man had problems with hormone transitioning is not as relevant as females going through poverty and dealing with hormone problems because I was a man. Oh, imagine a man going through that. I said, yes, but a man could be a woman transitioning, could be a man transitioning. It doesn't matter because I am a woman now, but I used to be a man, and because a man going through hormone changes and hormone difficulties is more scary as somebody who transitions because every single part of your body hurts and stretches, and your hips and your bones break, and all that happens when you transition, and very suddenly, and in a particular way. Not that because I say something is, even if I'm portraying something to be sexist, you know, it's like, is it as if I couldn't portray something to be something that it isn't? Because I'm somehow not eligible to present something as something that it isn't. Like, some human beings aren't able to present things as they thought the opposite to be true. But instead, they said something that, yeah, may have caught attention for that particular matter, but it doesn't mean that they don't particularly push the argument across to move the fuck out of the people who actually are accountable for making everyone's lives difficult in this planet. And you wouldn't imagine to be the people who are in power and the people that you elected to be there. And you wouldn't imagine, you wouldn't think that they would be there to support you anymore.